organ of vision, that is here and in here. Ill accessory structures. I think you already know from histology that eyeball consists of how many coats? 3 coats. Most external coat, that is fibrous coat, tunica fibrosa, and it consists of 2 parts. Anterior transparent part, that is cornea, and not transparent, sclera. Body between cornea and sclera, that is sulcus sclera. And here it is, in this place, in sclera, we have Schlemm channel, that is sinus venosus sclera. That is a place where humor aquosus absorbed into the sinus and with venous blood go away from eyeball. Next coat, that is vascular coat, tunica vasculosa, and tunica vasculosa consists of 3 parts. This anterior part, that is iris, then ciliary body, and choroid coat. And ciliary body consists of ciliary muscle, and from ciliary muscle, thin ligament goes to lens, and participate in accommodation. The same from ciliary body starts ciliary processes, and ciliary processes, they produced humor aquosus, which goes to posterior chamber of eye, and from posterior chamber through pupil goes to anterior chamber, and from anterior chamber absorbed into Schlemm channel. And last coat, that is retina, and retina consists of pigmental part, pars pigmentosa, and nervous part, pars nervosa. Pigmental layer supplies all inner surface of eyeball, everywhere. In iris, the same, we have pigmental layer everywhere. Pars pigmentosa supplies all inner surface. And nervous part of retina, only in posterior part of retina. Behind of iris, there is no nerval cells. Nerval cells finish at the level of edge of ciliary body, and here it is, we have ora serrata, that is place where nerval cells are finished. And nerval cells consist of 3 types of neurons. First type, that is photoreceptors, they are rods and cones. Second type of neuron, that is bipolar neuron, and bipolar neuron join photoreceptors with next neuron, that is ganglionic cells, and axons of ganglionic cells forms optic nerve, and optic nerve, it starts from retina and goes to optic chiasma through optic canal, yes? And this place where optic nerve starts from retina, that is blind spot, because photoreceptors here it is are absent. Near of blind spot we have yellow spot, that is place of the best vision, because here it is a lot of cones. And on peripheral part of retina, here and here, we have only rods. We already said about chambers. Anterior chamber, that is space between cornea and iris, and posterior chamber between iris and lens. Communication between anterior and posterior chamber through pupil. What is behind of lens in eyeball? What is it? That is vitreous body. Corpus vitreum. It's look like gel. Одну секунду, я сейчас